Confused about what career to choose? Not quite sure if the range of study and work options compatible with your personality, aptitude and interests? Welcome to Career Cafe for a ringside view of an exciting career each week. Together, we shall explore the pros and cons, the ins and outs, the programs and prospects, all the stuff you need to make an informed and successful career choice. Hi, I'm your host and career guide Parveen Malhotra, and guess what we have on the menu today? Careers in taxation. Nothing in life is certain other than death and taxes, goes a popular saying. And given our complex tax rules and laws, tax experts are perhaps demigods themselves. Einstein once half seriously said that understanding income tax was the hardest thing in the world, and perhaps rightly so. In India, our patchwork of taxes, central and state levy, direct and indirect, VAT and service, MAT and excise, makes for an awfully confusing maze. And with the penalties of non-compliance being heavy, no one, be it a company or an individual, wishes to be caught on the wrong side of the law. And this is where tax experts step in. And to give us an expert insider perspective on career opportunities in taxation, there are many of them, we have with us Amitabh Singh. Amitabh is a chartered accountant and a law graduate. He joined Ernst & Young's member firm in India after graduating from SRCC Delhi University, and went on to become a senior partner in E&Y's tax practice. In a career spanning 23 years, Amitabh has held numerous leadership positions and worked in diverse areas of taxation and advisory services. After taking early retirement from E&Y India, Amitabh divides his time between teaching CA aspirants and conducting training programs in taxation for various institutions and professional firms. Welcome to Career Cafe, Amitabh. What a pleasure. So, as I said, you're not just a demigod, and with your tilak, you are a devta, tax devta. Huh? So, welcome to Career Cafe, really.
Thank you.
So, tell me, what made you choose taxation of all things as your specialty?
In my days, it's funny, but taxation as a career was chosen for me. So, it's like in those days, when one wanted to do chartered accountancy, the main choice used to be audits.
Right.
Everybody wanted to do audits, and my partner, who was my guide, he said, Amitabh, why don't you take up taxation as a career? And I had no idea what taxation was, except that my dad always used to crib that he was paying too much taxes.
Or like all of us.
And there didn't seem to be too much work. But he had the vision, and that's one of my sort of stroke of luck, that he told me, don't worry, trust me, and start on this. And I took up taxation, basically trusting her. I didn't do any analysis what my career would turn out to be or what are the goals, like young people do today. He showed me a path and I sort of went along it, and I have no regrets.
Wonderful.
I have no regrets.
Wonderful. So if you have any queries related to careers in taxation, and believe me, there are various entry routes, please call us quickly on 1800-15314 and 011-230-35420. The numbers are running on the ticker. So tell me, everyone's scared of taxes, all of us. People feel it's a very, very complex field. Is it really that complex?
It is complex. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Plus, it's such a ubiquitous subject. Everyone has an opinion on it.
That's true.
Even if you are not a tax professional, as long as you're paying taxes, you will have an opinion on it. It's the budget is the most watched program
and debated.
So In fact, sometimes when I go to social gatherings, I don't tell anyone I'm a tax expert because
They
suddenly
would corner you.
you will have 10 people coming with their tax problems. So it is complex, but it's not something which is like nuclear physics or
Rocket science.
or rocket science. If you are able to apply yourself, you have a bent for logical reasoning, and you're willing to work hard like any other specialization, definitely it can be mastered, and it is something which will earn you the respect of the society at large.
Yeah, I'm sure you must be so highly in demand. So tell me, if somebody, a youngster, like all those watching our show today, if they are looking at a career in taxation, most people feel कि taxation का मतलब कि tax lawyer बनना है या CA बनना. So just enumerate the various things that they can be doing and looking at.
Okay. So taxation, as you rightly said, the conventional ways of being a tax practitioner, as people are called, is either to become a chartered accountant or a lawyer, and then choose taxation as a specialization. Because being a CA or a lawyer, you could specialize in many more areas beyond
Yes.
taxation. Plus, there is also the civil services route to taxation, where if you have competed for your civil services
Yes, then you
exam,
can go the Indian Revenue
yeah,
Service.
you can join the IRS, and,
Yes.
and that lands you in taxation again. So these are the three conventional fields, because our regulations require that if you have to be a tax practitioner, unless you are just giving advices, then you can be anybody. But if you want to appear before the tax commissioner or fight legal cases based on taxation, then you have to be a chartered accountant or a lawyer.
Okay, so, now suppose somebody, before I came, somebody was asking me, company secretary ka course kiya hai. So what would such a person need to do to, if you wanted to specialize in taxation?
So a company secretary, by his qualification, is not permitted
No.
to represent before tax authorities. They definitely are taught taxation as a subject to be able to perform their jobs better, but they cannot represent a client before the tax authorities. That only a chartered accountant can do,
Or a lawyer.
or a lawyer. And a lawyer has much more flexibility if he wants to become a litigation expert, because a chartered accountant can only appear up to the tribunal stage if he's doing tax practice, while a lawyer can go all the way to Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, right. And on that note, we have our first caller of the day, Harsh Joshi from Gujarat. Welcome to Career Cafe, Harsh. Hello? Hello?
हेलो
Yes, Harsh, welcome to Career Cafe.
मैडम, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि
हाँ?
मैं अभी पॉलिटिकल साइंस के लास्ट ईयर में हूँ
जी,
और मुझे BA LLB करना है टैक्सेशन में,
हाँ जी,
तो उसके रिगार्डिंग थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी कि आगे का स्कोप क्या है।
बिल्कुल।
और
बिल्कुल अमिताभ जी आपको समझाएंगे, लेकिन LLB में कोई स्पेशलाइजेशन नहीं होती। LLB एक जनरल लॉ की डिग्री है, उसमें हाँ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मॉड्यूल्स आप ले सकते हैं, पर प्रैक्टिस करते करते आप एक टैक्सेशन लॉयर बनेंगे, और उस LLB करने के बाद अगर छोटा मोटा आपको कोई टैक्सेशन लॉ का कोर्स करना है तो कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अमिताभ जी,
ओके,
जैसे आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, LLB में आपको लॉ के सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने होंगे, उसमें टैक्सेशन भी है और भी लॉ के सब्जेक्ट्स है। पर अगर आपको टैक्सेशन में रुचि है, इंटरेस्ट है, तो आप टैक्स के जो केसेस हो रहे हैं उनमें आप ज्यादा ध्यान रखिए। यू कीप योर सेल्फ इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑफ ऑल द टैक्स डेवलपमेंट्स, और एक बार आपकी LLB खत्म हो जाए तब आप किसी टैक्स प्रैक्टिशनर के साथ जुड़ के अपनी प्रैक्टिस बिठा सकते हैं। और जनरली LLB के बीच में भी जो आपको टाइम मिलता है इंटर्नशिप का, उसमें आप कोशिश कीजिए कि किसी टैक्स प्रैक्टिशनर के साथ, किसी टैक्स लॉयर के साथ आप इंटर्नशिप करो, ताकि आपको उसका एक एक्सपोजर मिल जाएगा। और उसमें मेन चीज जो आपको डिसाइड करना होगा इस वक्त कि आपकी रुचि इनकम टैक्स में है या इंडायरेक्ट टैक्स जिसको वैट
Yes.
या एक्साइज या कस्टम्स में है, क्योंकि ये दोनों अलग अलग स्पेशलाइजेशन है.
अच्छा, तो lawyers भी, as a lawyer also you would specialize either in direct tax or indirect tax.
That's right.
Oh, I see. Okay, तो ये तो बहुत अच्छा सुझाव है. पर would doing some 1-year diploma alongside help him in taxation? There are many I've seen that are available to commerce graduates. Would that be of any help?
It is of help, but you have to be careful what those diplomas are, because there are many diplomas which are not really recognized.
Right.
So you have to
Right.
understand that, is it recognized by anyone? Is it really meeting your knowledge requirements? You have to be careful about those diplomas.
Yes.
I would suggest that you first do your LLB with full commitment and
Alongside work.
Alongside आप कुछ काम कर सकते हैं आफ्टर कॉलेज आवर्स और बिफोर कॉलेज आवर्स. उससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपकी कितनी एप्टीट्यूड है. एक है कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं,
बिल्कुल, I completely agree with you.
आपको रियली वहाँ पे कर पा रहे हैं अच्छी तरह या नहीं, उसका आभास हो जाएगा.
सही कहा आपने, बिल्कुल सही कहा हर्ष. आई थिंक वैल्यूएबल वर्ड्स ऑफ एडवाइस. वी हैव नाउ शिवम फ्रॉम बिहार. वेलकम शिवम. हेलो.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी.
यस मैम. मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैं अभी 12th कर रहा हूँ मैम.
जी.
तो क्या मैं अभी मैं बायो लिया हूँ, तो क्या मैं टैक्सेशन में आगे किस रास्ते से जा सकता हूँ?
बायो. अच्छा, बायो लिया हुआ है, थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ेगा नहीं? क्या लगता है?
इसमें पहले तो
इंटरेस्ट है टैक्सेशन के कैरियर में.
अच्छा, तो अगर टैक्सेशन में इंटरेस्ट था, हो सकता है बायो परिवार के प्रेशर से या किसी कारण से ले लिया हो, पर अभी भी इट्स नॉट टू लेट. बट आपको को करियर मतलब एक तरह से पढ़ाई स्विच करनी पड़ेगी. या तो आप 12th में इतने अच्छे मार्क्स लाइए कि आप कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में जा सके, या जो 12th के बाद आप कोशिश कीजिए कि जो 5 ईयर लॉ कोर्स होती
हाँ,
है.
ये ऑप्शन बड़ा अच्छा है. वंडरफुल आइडिया, सुपर.
जो
बिकॉज अदरवाइज तो कॉमर्स करना होगा एंड तो सीए रूट तो इनके लिए बहुत लंबा और अटपटा हो जाएगा. तो ये बहुत अच्छा सुझाव है कि 5 साल का बीए एलएलबी प्रोग्राम अच्छी वन ऑफ द नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज वगैरह से कर ले तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहेगा. एंड देन यू कैन गो इनटू द टैक्सेशन साइड ऑफ लॉ. Super, super, Amitabh. I wouldn't have thought of this. So we'll take a short break here, but when we return, we'll look at the key entry points and discuss how to get your foot in the door. So stay right there. Welcome back to Career Cafe. We are talking to Amitabh Singh on careers in taxation. So Amitabh, tell me, what sort of aptitude or attitude does a person require to, sort of be successful in this field? Enter in this field, anyone can, but to be successful in this field.
Of course, if I look back at my career, what are the things which allowed me to survive as a tax practitioner? One is that you need to have lots of patience, because a fair time for a tax practitioner is spent in front of tax officers, explaining your point of view, trying to appreciate their point of view, and then seeking a common ground. So it requires a lot of tact, it requires a lot of patience, because I remember in my young days I had to wait outside tax offices for 2 hours in hot summers, and yet have a composure to go in and say, "Good afternoon, sir," and smilingly put up a brave face. So you have to be patient. You require an eye for detail, because at the end of the day, it's a study of law and it's a study of business.
And technicalities.
So those technicalities, you have to have that eye for detail, and a fair command over the language. Although some of the indirect taxes can be practiced in the local language of the state, but if you want to really be successful and grow, and if you want to have your practice in the higher courts of law, then English becomes a prerequisite.
Lingua franca, yeah,
and a fair degree of English grammar, because in law, as you know, every comma, every full stop has a meaning of its own. So patience is a virtue in this, tactfulness, eye for detail, and basic aptitude for language, for the English
also,
language.
now this
Yeah.
is something that's to be kept in mind. Amitabh, we have another caller waiting, popular subject. Balakrishnan from Kerala. Welcome to Career Cafe. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
I'd like to ask one question. What will be the future of this taxation when GST is coming? General Sales, that goods and service tax is coming. What will be the whether the carrier will be a bright one or not will be one? That's my question.
Good question, Amitabh.
Very good question, and it shows that the caller is keeping up to date with
Yes,
the
yes.
latest developments. Sure, he has the aptitude or at least the interest in the subject. Thank you for calling. GST is actually going to give this a more wider coverage and a career boost, because if you were a practitioner in tax on, say, VAT, VAT today is a local subject. So if you are a tax practitioner in, say, state of Kerala, practicing Kerala VAT, you are limited to that
Kerala.
state itself.
Right.
Goods and services tax is going to bring a common market in the country, which means that if you are building a practice or knowledge on that subject, you could very well set up your practice in any
Anywhere.
part of the country and be able to work on it, which is not the case today. That, you know, on a state level based practitioner, it's very difficult for you to move from one state to other.
Right.
And GST is going to remove a lot of other complexities in taxation. It's going to be more transparent. It's going to be easier to understand. So some of those stigma attached to tax practitioner about having to deal with corruption and a lot of black money and things are expected to reduce substantially, making the practice more respectable, if I can use the word.
And, you know, this flexibility to be able to practice.
Definitely,
anywhere.
it increases your
Absolutely, that's very
mobility
big.
across the
Increases your
country.
mobility. So that's super. I hope you found your answer. Yet another caller. Amitabh, मैं अपने questions कब पूछूंगी? Really. Vikalp from Bijnor, UP. Welcome to Career Cafe.
हेलो
Hello.
हाँ, गुड इवनिंग मैम.
Good evening.
मैम, मैंने साइंस से ग्रेजुएट किया है और मैं कंपनी लॉ में डिप्लोमा करना चाह रहा हूँ मैम.
अच्छा. साइंस
तो
क्या
मैम,
फिजिक्स
मुझे
केमिस्ट्री?
इग्नू से करना बेटर रहेगा या किसी ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी से करूँ जहाँ पे मतलब डेली क्लासेस हो?
इन्होंने साइंस से,
इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स से किया है.
इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स से आपने ग्रेजुएशन किया है कि 12वीं?
नहीं, ग्रेजुएशन मैम, ग्रेजुएशन.
ग्रेजुएशन इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथमेटिक्स से किया है?
हाँ मैम.
अरे,
और फिर
fantastic.
मतलब साथ में कंप्यूटर साइंस भी है.
सुपर सुपर.
So ये कह रहे हैं कि ये डिप्लोमा करना चाहते हैं लॉ
तो
में.
वो पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या उन्हें रेगुलर करना चाहिए जहां क्लासरूम टीचिंग हो रही हो या डिस्टेंस से कर दें? मेरे ख्याल से तो
ये आपके डिपेंड करता है. आप कहीं अगर जॉब कर रहे हैं और रेगुलर क्लासेस नहीं अटेंड कर सकते तो वो दूसरी बात है. बट अदरवाइज अगर आपके आसपास कहीं पे रेगुलर क्लासेस हो रही हैं तो सबसे बेहतर वही होता है कि आप आमने सामने टीचर के बैठ के पढ़ें.
क्योंकि आपकी मुश्किल डिफिकल्टी सॉल्व हो सकती है, जो सवाल उठते हैं वो आप
दैट्स राइट.
पूछ सकते हैं.
और पर आप ये देख लीजिए कि उस डिप्लोमा का क्या यूज
सही
रहेगा.
बात, बिल्कुल. और मान्यता प्राप्त है कि नहीं,
कि वो डिप्लोमा कितनी रिकग्नाइज्ड है, उससे आगे आपके करियर में
तो
क्या.
ये कैसे पता करेंगे? ये हाउ विल यू फाइंड दिस आउट?
तो लॉ एक ऐसी चीज है जिसमें डिप्लोमा नहीं होता.
हाँ, नहीं, हाँ, लॉ में तो डिप्लोमा नहीं होता है. वो जो BAL जो होता है, बैचलर्स इन एकेडमिक लॉ और व्हाटएवर, पर वो तो आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते.
उससे आप टैक्स की प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते. आपको अगर टैक्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो आपको बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया की रजिस्ट्रेशन चाहिए, जो कि एक प्रॉपर LLB डिग्री होल्डर को ही मिलती है. तो आप इसको सोच समझ ले अच्छी तरह कि डिप्लोमा करने से आप
मिलेगा क्या,
आप क्या हासिल होगा. प्लस आपने कंप्यूटर साइंस किया हुआ है और इकोनॉमिक्स कर रखा है, तो आप किधर, आपका लक्ष्य किधर है वो थोड़ा आप स्पष्ट कर
बिल्कुल.
लें.
क्योंकि सिर्फ एक डिप्लोमा से कुछ नहीं होगा. नहीं,
बिल्कुल.
तो ये सोचने वाली बात है. या तो LLB कर ले या ऐसा कुछ कर लें, तब तो इट मेक्स सेंस. आई होप यू फाउंड योर आंसर. तो ये बताइए अमिताभ जी कि इसमें भी स्पेशलाइजेशन का जमाना है, तो इसमें स्पेशलाइजेशंस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं?
بہت سارے ہو سکتے ہیں. جیسے پہلے تو کسی کو ڈاکٹری کرنی تھی تو MBBS کر کے کام چل جاتا تھا. ویسے ہی اگر آپ نے CA یا لا کر لیا تو اس کے بعد اسپیشلائزیشن آپ کو کرنا ہوتا ہے. اور اگر آپ نے ٹیکس چنا تو اس کے بعد ایک سیکنڈری لیول آف اسپیشلائزیشن ہے کہ ٹیکس میں کیا, کون سا ٹیکس, انکم ٹیکس پریکٹس کر رہے ہیں یا سروس ٹیکس, کسٹمز, ایکسائز یا ویٹ. سو ایک طرح سے یہ 4 مکھیہ اسپیشلائزیشن ہے. اور آج کے دن میں ایک اور نیا اسپیشلائزیشن آ رہا ہے جو بھر کے اٹ ہیز ایمرجڈ, وچ از انٹرنیشنل ٹیکسیشن اینڈ ٹرانسفر پرائسنگ.
This is what I wanted to ask you.
اینڈ وچ از این اپ کمنگ تھنگ. اور اس کے بارے میں بہت زیادہ انٹرسٹ ہے لوگوں کو, اور پیپل فائنڈ اٹ ویری ایکسائٹنگ کیونکہ نیا ایریا ہے. تو ایک طرح سے 5 ایریا کھل گئے ہیں.
ونڈرفل. اور ہمارے پاس وقت کم ہے. ایک اور کالر آن دا لائن, میناکشی, ویلکم ٹو کریئر کیفے. ہلو.
ہیلو میم. کالر آن دا لائن میناکشی.
جی یا
میم.
میناکشی, ذرا اپنا ٹی وی کا والیوم ٹرن ڈاؤن کر دو کیونکہ ریورب آ رہا ہے.
یس میم. میم نمستے.
نمستے.
My daughter, actually my husband is a veterinary officer.
ہاں.
My daughter is she's studying in Symbiosis Law School.
Okay.
BA LLB,
Yes.
5 years course.
Yes.
We don't have any idea of this law and all because she is first generation.
Right, going into law. Absolutely. So, you know, if you feel, if during the course of her, while doing her BA LLB, you know, and especially if she's doing it from a place like Pune, Symbiosis, she could have an opportunity to intern in a law firm. You know, if the law firm is large enough, she might, you know, get to try out, at least get to taste some of the verticals. One could be taxation, another could be corporate law, another could be whatever. So that will give her a little bit of idea about what she wishes to do. Isn't that the way to go ahead? She is...
بالکل صحیح کہا آپ نے. کوئی آج کل اتنے چوائسیز اویلیبل ہیں, اور کسی چیز کے لیے من بنانے سے پہلے آپ ایک بار ٹرائی کر لیں. ہاں, تھنک آف اٹ ایز اے بفے لنچ.
بالکل, سیمپلر.
ہر چیز کی سیمپل لے لیں اور اس کے بعد جس میں آپ کی لائکنگ ہو, روچی ہو, ہاں, وہ آپ طے کر لیں.
So this is what you have to tell her, ma'am, کہ while she is doing her course, جتنا جو فری ٹائم ملے, پیڈ یا ان پیڈ انٹرنشپ ضرور کریں. وتھ اگر بڑی لا فرم نہ ملے تو ویرائٹی آف پریکٹسنگ لائرز کے ساتھ بھی لگ جائے تو یو نو, اینڈ آٹومیٹکلی شی ول نو کہ مجھے کرمنل لا نہیں کرنا یا سول لا نہیں کرنا یا کیا نہیں کرنا. سو ان کو ایک طرف رکھتے ہوئے جو باقی کے فیلڈز ہیں, شی شوڈ ایٹ لیسٹ سیمپل دوز آؤٹ. نو,
بالکل.
So what is your parting advice, Amitabh, to all these people who are looking at law, taxation and law and stuff like that?
بالکل. taxation میں there is a big dearth of professionals wanting to enter this field. ہر آدمی مینجمنٹ کرنا چاہتا ہے, انویسٹمنٹ بینکر بننا چاہتا ہے, بٹ جیسے جیسے یہ کنٹری بڑھتی ہے, اٹ نیڈس لاٹ آف ٹیکس پریکٹیشنرز آلسو who can very ably and honestly guide people who are floundering and confused about taxation to make sure that they tread the right path. And the government is also trying to encourage people to enter into this profession in some way or the other. And I personally feel that it has been a very rewarding career for me. I enjoy doing taxation, and it also keeps me, it makes me feel very important amongst my family and friends, because tax expert is never lacking demand.
بالکل, it's a recession proof. ہاں, اکانومی میں گو بوم اور بسٹ, پر اگر آپ کو کڈنی ٹرانسپلانٹ کرانی ہے یا ٹیکس بھرنا ہے تو آپ کو تو,
as you said, I think you gave the parting shot that death and taxes are the most two certain things in the world.
So after God, it's the taxation expert,
Definitely,
that you require in life. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity. Look at the various things. So what you were also telling me the last bit when you were saying कि international law वगैरह, तो does that mean कि आप internationally भी practice कर सकते हैं?
کر سکتے ہیں. It is not 100%, But suppose you have done taxation in India, and especially अगर आपने international tax और transfer pricing में करा है practice और आपको experience है, तो उसका काफी सारा principles will also apply in other countries as well. So कल को suppose as a career change or arising out of say marriage or something, you go to
you need
US,
to go yes.
you go abroad, or you want to take a higher degree, it will not go waste.
You can do a relevant bridge course.
You can do a bridge course because most countries have similar, especially the Commonwealth countries have the similar principles of taxation. So it will not be totally that you'll feel like a fish out of water. The canons of taxation will still hold good.
Oh, super. So on that note, thank you so much, Amitabh, for coming to Career Cafe.
Thank you.
Really,
It's been a
really,
pleasure.
this was an absolutely valuable session that we had. And do send us your feedback at careercafe@lstv@gmail.com. Next week on Career Cafe, we'll look at yet another super career. But before that, let me leave you with one of my usual favorite quotes. Today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. So bye for now, seize the day and be your best.